Nothing is easy and हर challenge के अपने pros and cons हैं.
Erga Robin, Pakistan!
Miss Universe Pakistan pageant was again unreal. I wasn't really expecting.
Miss Universe Pakistan 2023 is Erika.
And the people around you really matters. My dad in the beginning, as I mentioned, was a bit, skeptical about the fashion industry, but all I want to say is it's not the field, change you as a person, it's who you are as a person.
हेलो एरिका, कैसी हैं आप?
बिल्कुल ठीक, आप कैसी हैं?
बिल्कुल ठीक। सबसे पहले थैंक यू सो मच अपने टीम की 10 मिनट देने के लिए।
Thank you so much for having me.
5 मिनट है
जी.
सो एरिका, हमने अगर पीपल हैव हर्ड योर टॉक टुडे एट 10x एंड जिन्होंने नहीं भी आज सुनी है वो आपको देखते आ रहे हैं, आपसे बहुत इंस्पायर्ड हैं। आई रियली एडमायर यू
Thank you.
for actually breaking the barriers. I'm not really sure how your childhood has been, but I'm super sure कि challenges रहे होंगे. So what has been like the biggest challenge, क्योंकि ये एक तो unconventional है field and also acceptance हमारी society में कम है. So what has been the biggest challenge while your journey towards the Miss Universe?
I think कोई एक स्पेसिफिक चैलेंज, ये एवरी चैलेंज इज चैलेंज, सही है, और उस टाइम पे बहुत बड़ा लगता है और जैसे ही खत्म हो जाता है जस्ट लाइक ये भी हो गया. तो आई थिंक एवरी चैलेंज दैट कम्स यू कैन रियली टेल दैट दिस वाज द बिगेस्ट एंड ये बहुत इजी था. नथिंग इज इजी एंड हर चैलेंज के अपने प्रॉज एंड कॉन्स हैं. तो
कोई ऐसा मेमोरेबल मोमेंट है जो आपको लगा हो कि यार उस टाइम तो लगा कि यार गिव अप कर देना चाहिए?
हाँ, जैसे पब्लिक स्पीकिंग का मुझे बहुत इशू था पहले. लाइक आई कुड नॉट स्पीक टू सेव माई लाइफ, बट लुक एट मी हियर नाउ एंड जस्ट अ फ्यू मंथ्स आई प्रैक्टिस. सो अगेन यू थिंक a challenge is very big until unless you overcome it, and then it's just very easy for you.
Lovely. So I think one major skill या mindset में कहूँगी which is not giving up, आप में रहा है. But other than that, वो क्या चीज़ें थी, वो क्या skills थी जो आपको वहाँ तक लेके गई? So young professionals who are watching you would learn from it. Maybe it can be resilience, it can be anything. तो वो क्या skills थी which has brought you this far?
Actually, resilient that you use is the correct word. Also, I think people around you. That's very important that you're surrounded by positive people, because as an individual you do want to give up at some time, and then you just need to push that one person to just tell you that you have to keep going. So I think yes, your own resilience and people around you really matters.
Okay. And what has been like the biggest learning throughout the journey?
Throughout the journey के बस कोशिश करते रहें, हिम्मत ना हारें. There is nothing in this world that is not possible. You just have to keep working really extra hard if you want to achieve something that you're not good at. Everything is possible. हमारी body इस तरीके से, brain इस तरीके से design हुआ है कि अगर हमें कुछ करना है and we're truly dedicated towards it. It might take, for someone it might take a few days, for some it might take a few years, but eventually you will get there.
And how was the moment winning the Miss Universe?
Pageant, Miss Universe Pakistan pageant was again unreal. I wasn't really expecting कि अच्छा ठीक है, when something really comes big in your way, it's hard for you to accept and it gets very overwhelming. So I think वही exactly feeling थी, but with the obstacles and challenges that came along the way, so that really wasn't something that I was expecting. But खैर वो भी हो गया, वो भी
वापस आके मजा आया, लेकिन
हाँ, जब वापस आई थी, the response was great. Everyone was happy, everyone was appreciating, because again Pakistan was represented on a global stage जो unfortunately बहुत कम होता है. And we have immense talent in Pakistan. It's just that we don't have proper platforms कि हम अपने आप को जाके represent करें. Otherwise we're as talented as any other.
And your family has been like really supportive.
Yeah, throughout, especially my mother throughout. My dad in the beginning, as I mentioned, was a bit skeptical about the fashion industry, but all I want to say is it's not the field that change you as a person, it's who you are as a person. सही है, तो फील्ड में या किसी चीज़ में डिपेंड नहीं करता है. अगर आप जैसे हैं, आप जहाँ पे भी जाएं, you will stay the same person, you will not adapt anything.
Because a lot of people think कि ये बहुत
हाँ,
shady
हाँ, इसीलिए कह रही हूँ ना कि जगह पे और माहौल पे डिपेंड नहीं करता, आप खुद कैसे आप पे डिपेंड करता है. बहुत सारे ऐसे अच्छे लोग हैं जो अच्छे माहौल में भी खराब हो जाते हैं, लाइक वो है ना. तो वो आपके ऊपर, एज अ पर्सन what you are inside out would always remain like that, and if you have to adapt something you will eventually at a good environment. And fashion, sorry to cut you off, fashion is not really that's just a stigma कि नहीं करना चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं. It's as hard working job as any other. I've done 9 to 5 as well, so
कभी ऐसा लगा कि माहौल इन्फ्लुएंस कर रहा है आपकी बिहेवियर को?
नहीं, बिल्कुल भी नहीं लगा, बिल्कुल भी नहीं लगा। ये हम जब दूर से देखते हैं तो हमें लगता है कि अच्छा ये स्पेसिफिक काम ऐसा है, ये स्पेसिफिक काम ऐसा है, क्योंकि आपने खुद किया नहीं होता। यू नो, इट्स वेरी हार्ड टू जज, बट इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट.
अब खुश हैं?
हाँ, he is very happy. He seen me working really hard and doing what I love, so he is happy.
Lovely, lovely. So last question, young professionals and students who are watching you and are going through different journeys and struggles, what is the last piece of advice that you'd like to share with them?
Like, follow your passion. Money automatically follows. When I started my career, it was I was barely earning anything. But I think when you exercise and excellent in your field, what you're doing, then money automatically follows. So don't run after money. Run after your passion, what you're really passionate about, and just practice and excellence in it, and you will.
Do you watch a podcast yourself?
I don't. I don't actually, because I don't like watching myself talking. But the other.
Catwalk and the other thing?
Yeah, वो तो चलो वो चल जाता है, but I don't specifically sit and talk, like watch my own podcast, which I should, क्योंकि फिर आपको होता है अच्छा मैंने ये बोल दिया होता, ये बोल दिया होता.
मैंने podcast देखे हैं, it's actually very
Really?
Yeah,
चलें,
very
then
relatable
चलो,
also.
thank you, but
You're going to watch it.
I'll try to watch
Thank you so
them.
much for being
Thank
with
you so much for your time. Thank you.